Oh, one more time. Huh? Do we have it right side up this time? Gozer, play with this baby boy, so nice. Much nicer than killing each other, huh? Isn't it nicer than killing each other? Huh? Oh. Mama decided to stay inside. Mama decided to stay inside. How much do we have here? It's hard to tell, but I'm thinking we have about 6, right? Uh-oh. Ooh, you gonna play the recycle thing? Recycle the children. Come as you. Come as you. Huh? Oh. Try our zoom. How's our zoom working? 4 times. Ooh, it's blurry. You gonna focus? Android. Wow, it's not focusing. Huh? It's definitely not focusing. Okay, anyway. Wow. Huh? Get your bee. Huh? Snow times 20th of March. Our March blizzard. And it's supposed to keep going pretty much all day tomorrow. So we may actually have a foot. Uh-oh. He goes on his scientific studies. Huh? Did we document this blizzard okay? The first one, we kept getting interrupted by the Wi-Fi, chopping the video off. And then I turned it in here. I had it upside down and backwards and sideways and gozers. This is kind of a boring video. What do we have? Huh? Something interesting? Scanning the woods. Gozer. Huh? Snow dogs. Oh, Gozer. Getting wet. You're getting wet. Getting wet, Gozer. Look at that. So we're really just kind of in the middle of it now. Really just in the middle. Huh? In the middle? Oh, this is kind of an interesting thing. Out here without a coat, it's really not that bad. So I guess it's probably just freezing. That's our pile. So if that's us indications, probably have about 6 inches. Oh, that's the little spot. Scanning the woods, huh? Kitties, rabbits, they're probably all hunkered down somewhere. Huh? 3 minutes. I guess that's enough. Now, did we get this right side up? Huh? Did we get it right side up, Gozer? Huh?